Hello my dear sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa. This is new Manhwa, Kiss Me in the Dark of Night. Chapter 1. Young master, you're here at last. Sorry, there was a traffic jam. Where's the thing? My name is Jing Lai. It's in my yard, follow me. Master, I originally wanted to ask a cultural relic specialist to take a look, but I felt like this didn't fit with their profession. Not their profession. What do you mean? My job is to subdue monsters and demons. It's been raining for half a month straight. I kept hearing strange noises coming from the yard, so I thought the water pipe was broken. I decided to dig it up and take a look. Unexpectedly, we dug up a European-style coffin. The sound was coming from inside the coffin. It's so scary. Miss Wang next door told me that you are an experienced master and that I should ask you for help. Can you please take a look? I see, so you are not sure whether the coffin contains cultural relics or dirt. Yes, exactly. Bang, tap tap. There was indeed a sound. But it was very faint. It's possible that the rainwater soaked the coffin and caused a chemical reaction. This has happened a few times before. Although I don't smell zombies, there seems to be some type of creature inside. Could there be a rat inside? Worried. Does that mean it might not have something unclean inside of it? Should I call the Cultural Relics Bureau instead? Bang, ack, kachak, squeak. A foreigner. Oh no, this foreign girl looks like she's only been dead for a few days. How did she die? Should I call the police? No odor from the body. How is this possible? My family's land hasn't been touched for decades. How did a body get there? Motionless. No sign of resurrection either. Is this truly a corpse? Auntie, call the police immediately. Okay, I'll call the police right now. Strange, so strange. Pulse. Wah. Young master. Oof. What's going on? Oh shit, it came back to life. It doesn't matter, I'll just use the blood sealing talisman to freeze it. Pulse. So strong. Who are you? She's speaking zombie. Or is it English? Damn, my hands are restrained so I can't make seals. This female zombie has no reaction to my protective golden energy. Do we have to fight? She's too strong. You can understand what I'm saying, right? I don't care who you are, just get off me. Otherwise, I'll turn you to ash. Scratches. You. Wipes. Thinking. Blood. She's a blood-sucking zombie. So sweet. I can't move. Blood, sweet blood. Damn it. The source of life. She's going to tear my skin open and rip out my arteries. I'm going to die here. I still have 28 years left on my mortgage, and I already paid 2 years worth of interest. I can't die yet. Slap. Abrupt stop. Phew. Saved. The blood sealing talisman is the first talisman I learned to make after joining the Canyu sect of Motion. It's the most powerful immobilizing talisman. Proud. Whether it's a spirit, monster, demon, or ghost, as long as they're affected by the blood sealing talisman, they can be immobilized for at least 10 minutes. Eliminating demons and evil spirits is the right path, but if a person dies, how can we talk about enforcing justice for the heavens? Keep this in mind. Confused. Tears off. What's this? What is it used for? What? Why didn't it work? Am I really so lucky that I met a legendary monster? Or is it that Eastern spells can't defeat Western monsters? But at the last gathering of the demon hunting group. Boring. What's going on? Throws. That guy, Lee Sangkwon, is still bragging about subduing an evil Russian spirit from 200 years ago with a peachwood sword. $500 wasted. Hello. Snaps out of it. Ack. Shoves. Picks up. Jump. That lady ran really fast, but that's good. It'll prevent more casualties. The blood sealing talisman can't even stop this demon. I'll have to increase my strength. Steps. I won't be responsible if anything gets burned. This talisman is worth $1,500. I wonder if that lady will reimburse me. Giddy earthly fury of yin and yang listened to the call. The heavenly fire immortal summons and disperses it. The flames of the fire dragon and the 8 trigrams swirl together. The talisman takes shape and breaks through the void. The true fire of Samadhi listens to my call. The power of the 5 elements gathers at my fingertips. The spiritual light shines through the darkness and the evil spirits are driven away to protect the country. Bursts. I didn't want to be cruel, but you forced my hand. Done. Time to call it a day. Hey, don't go. Huh, what's the matter? How is that possible? Even the fire dragon talisman is useless. Are you crazy? If you're going to perform magic tricks, you should inform me in advance. I wasn't mentally prepared and it really scared me. Drops. Huh, what language am I speaking? Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa. This is new Manhwa, Kiss Me in the Dark of Night. Chapter 2. What language am I speaking? Hey, why aren't you answering me? Digs through. How would I know? Look at my magic mirror. Ah, it's so dazzling. Dust to dust, ashes to ashes. Fun, fun. Crackle, thunder magic. I can't believe this. Boom. Mum, can you do the bell shaking trick again? The sound is so nice, it makes my body feel tingly. Do it quickly, I'm still waiting. You. Trembles. Why can't I kill you? Pushes away. Why do you want to kill me? You just tried to suck my blood. Suck blood? I didn't. Huh. Yes, I wanted to suck her blood. Why did I want to suck her blood? Where is this? I'm Clark. But, what's my last name? Who am I? Tell me. Huh, how am I supposed to know who you are? Don't you have too many questions for a monster? Master said that demons are the best at lying. It happened just a few minutes ago, but she can't remember it. She's obviously pretending. You are a zombie, a dead person. Let go of your attachments and return to being dust. I am dead. Crack. I'm clearly alive, so why is she saying I'm dead? I'm human, right? But can humans suck blood? Why am I here? What the hell is this place? Hey, stop acting, I won't believe you. Police officers, quickly. Here, it's this woman, she's a zombie, catch her quickly. Do you even hear what you're saying? Who are these people? Miss, what happened to your clothes? Don't look at me like that. Don't look. Hey, stop. Wow, that girl is pretty fast. Miss, didn't you say someone was dead? Wasn't that just a parkour enthusiast? Parkour? What parkour? The speed of that jump was a little more than just parkour, sir. Right now there's this extreme sport called parkour. Sometimes people dress weird. It's normal for young people to have special hobbies. Miss, you have to keep up with the times. No, there was a dead person just now. If you don't believe me, ask young Master Jiang. Oh, look, there's the coffin I dug up. The evidence is irrefutable. Mr. Policeman, it's okay, that was just my cousin. She ran away from home and disturbed this lady. What a lie. That coffin is her prop. No, didn't you just say? Ma'am, I'll walk the policeman out first and then explain it to you. Young Master Jiang, why did you lie? If you tell the police to catch a ghost, they'll just treat you like you're crazy. By the way, miss, please pay me the fee. Ah, but the zombie ran away. The fee is non-negotiable. I am not responsible for services regarding the female zombie after her departure. Why? Am I able to jump up on the roof? Steps. You are a zombie, a dead person. Let go of your attachments and return to being dust. That woman is talking nonsense. I can't breathe. My heart is also beating. Bathump. How could I possibly be dead? Obviously, I'm still alive. The compass hasn't responded, and other tracking methods didn't work. Could the sun have turned her into a pile of ashes? No, if that was the case, then she would have turned to ashes in the yard. The sun doesn't seem able to burn her. I've been doing this work for so many years, and this is the first time I've had such a difficult case. How can I kill her? Can I just hit her with a brick? Sigh, I just hope she doesn't kill anyone otherwise. I feel really uncomfortable. Huff. Why am I getting so out of breath? What is this place? Domestic violence. Should I call the police? Ah, could be mental illness. Don't go over to her, she might scam you. Hey, I said. Are you alright? Didn't I tell you to not interfere? Are you in trouble? I'll call the police for you. So pitiful. Don't bother, she might lash out. We should leave quickly. Gulp. Please, look at the condition she's in. We can't just leave her alone here. What if some bad guys see her dressed like that and kidnap her? The police on patrol will help if they see her. We don't need to act. I heard the sound of blood pumping through veins. Hey, what are you doing? I could even smell its alluring aroma, a temptation I wouldn't be able to resist. She said that I tried to suck her blood. I can't suck blood. I'm a human. I'm a human. Sizzle. Huh, why is the sunlight burning me? That scared me. What was with that sudden shout? Look at her, she's not even wearing shoes. She's crazy. Recoils. No, it can't be. It should be. Close to here, right. I hope I can find her within an hour and make it back to the car, or else the parking fee will be a ton of money. This is the financial district, where every inch of land is worth money. Am I still a human being? Only vampires fear the sunlight. Coffin. Blood. Witch. There's no other reasonable explanation as to what I am. I'd rather the sun burn me to death. You're really easy to find. Splash. Little Miss Witch, you're so slow. Huh, witch. I'm a mage. Did you bring a wooden stake? I didn't. Why does her face look like that? That's a shame, I was naively under the impression that I would die soon. Disappearing. Why do you have that expression? Why? By the way, I'm curious about something. What's up with the scars on your face? Huh, the scars are gone. Am I pretty again? Just now she looked like she was waiting for death, but now she's worried about her appearance. That's a pretty stark contrast. The scars on her face gradually disappeared after I found her. It appears that I have some type of connection with her. I can't kill her and she can't leave me. Is the connection natural, or was some type of spell cast on her? Hey, do you want to come home with me? You're really impolite. What is this? A cheap couch. A really old neighborhood. It was definitely a mistake bringing her home. How will I pay rent? Why don't I use my perfect body? Like, what? You. See. Blush. You really are an evil monster. Put some clothes on before you talk to me again. You even flirted with me, girl. What are you doing? Instantly. Appears. Can I shower before changing my clothes? I can't underestimate this woman. Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.